crazy things have been going on, but really excited. So I did my first makeup client ever, like ever, yesterday, which was Friday? What day is it? Friday, June 15th, I did my first makeup client ever. And when I tell you, I was so nervous going into it. Like, when she asked me, she was like, yeah, would you do my makeup for my birthday? And I'm like, yeah, sure, I'll do your makeup. I've been doing makeup for a couple of months now, no problem. And then as I sat down and thought about it, I was like, bruh, she really wants me to do her makeup for her birthday, like her big day, like the one day out of the year that she gets to herself, and I'm doing her makeup. So with all that, she was super happy about it. I saw her today, which is Saturday, June 16th, and she told me that she loved it. She had so much fun last night, and she would send me some pictures of the look. So, hey. One down, million more to go. Maybe not a million, because you know, I don't got time to be getting carpal tunnel and stuff, but there will be more to come. I've been quiet for too long. So you excited?
Yes, I am.
I'm excited too. I'm like a little nervous, but I'm also excited because it's my first time doing someone else's makeup, but I looked up a couple of looks and I practiced on my own eye, like before you got here and stuff like that. So
nice.
I'm gonna start off with the NYX Pore Filler. So NYX Pore Filler is a really good primer. It's gonna literally get rid of all your pores. I like to double prime so that your makeup stays on all day. We're gonna be using the Scandinavia, and this is the makeup primer spray. And shout out to Scandinavia, thank you for sending me the free product. Now we're gonna go in with the CoverGirl True Bend Matte Made, and this is the color M30. And we're gonna be using your trusty beauty blender. I just finished her base, and what do you think of your base so far? So, I'll let you look at it and give your thoughts.
Oh my god, it looks so good. Don't hate, but I really look good. I love it. It looks really healthy and shiny. Like I can barely see my pores, and it feels so good. It doesn't feel heavy at all.
Yes.
It looks really natural and really awesome.
Thank you. Yeah. So the technique that I used to build her foundation was inspired by Jaclyn Hill. So shout out to Jaclyn Hill. I know you live in Tampa. Come see me or something. But her brows are literally like full and amazing. So all I have to do is just line them and then put some concealer and we're good to go. Yeah. So we're gonna do that now. Just using NARS Full Coverage Concealer in the color Creme Brulee to prime her eyelids. This is awesome. Now it's time to get to my favorite part of every makeup routine, and that is the shadows. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
The palettes I'm going to be using today are the Morphe 3502 palette, which has these like oranges and like orange, reds, and browns in it. And then I'm also going to jump into the Sephora Pro palette, and we are going to cut her crease with, oh, we gotta get over there. We're gonna cut her crease with this gold right here.
Just last week you called me, the way you're talking is driving me.
We are back, and this is the final look. Can you give them a couple of blinks for them? Close your eyes. Yes, turn to the left. Turn to the right. Oh, we are contoured! This is literally my first client other than my face that I have done. And can you give me a little bit of your thoughts about the process of going through the whole thing?
It's been a great experience. I mean, my skin looks so healthy and so smooth and nice. It's not heavy at all. Like, I love the shades of my eyes. It looks amazing. I'm so happy. I'm excited.
Did I have a heavy hand?
No,
like at
not
any
at
parts?
all. No.
Like it was just soft and...
It was a great experience.
Yeah.
The person that does makeup, it was a great experience. I'm very happy, very pleased.
Tomorrow is her birthday, so she needs to go celebrate. So Do you have any social media? Do you want people to like follow you on anything?
Well, not really.
Okay.
I'm not as social as you, but you know, he did a great job. I'm very happy.
Hey.
Look at that face.
Yeah.
It's great.
All right. Well, I will be back for my closing remarks, and let's do this. I have been really getting into makeup and beauty as a whole, and I'm like 100% loving it. I'm loving the creativity and being able to create looks like these. About time you see this video, this look will be posted on Instagram, so please go like, share, drop a comment, you know, do all of that stuff. I still have more things to work on until I get to where I want to be, but for the most part, I think my progress in the 3 months that I've been doing makeup is just literally amazing, and I'm glad that you guys are here to support as well. I'm too sexy for my shirt, too sexy for my shirt, too sexy for my shirt. This week's shout out goes to Vision Tracks. Thank you so much, Replay, or Vision now. I mean, you know, I like Replay better, but thank you so much for being so supportive and being on Musical.ly. And I know that I haven't been super active on Musical.ly, and you came over to Like app, so you know, I appreciate the support so much. Keep doing you, keep being amazing, and keep loving Ariana Grande. Well, that is it for this YouTube video. If you enjoyed just watching me like really come into my craft and really like define who I am as a person, keep watching, keep subscribing. Well, I guess you can't keep subscribing, but subscribe and stay active. Turn on those post notifications, share these videos, please give some likes and comments. I want to hear your guys' feedback. I think for next week's video, I'm going to be doing a reacting to my Like app fans videos. So if you are from the Like app, make sure you are staying active, leaving comments, showing love, and being a true Izzy Squad member. Alright guys, have a great rest of your week, and remember, stay positive. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do something, because you are in charge of your life. Peace!